Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This one's gonna be kind of a fun one. I'm checking out this POPOSOAP. It's a little like a solar fountain kit. So if you want to make a nice little water feature in your yard or whatever, this can has a little flotation device here. You can go into like your garden or whatever. Just stick this little motor in there and run your cord, plug that in. You have all types of little attachments here, so you can change if you want like that, yeah, all kinds of different little fountain attachments, so it's different. We have a cool little solar panel there as well. So everything you need for a quick little setup. Let's go out in the garden and make a nice little water feature, shall we? Okay, friends, the first thing we want to do is choose a little location for our water fountain, our water feature. So have a little kind of garden out here. It's still haven't really planted yet for the spring or summer, but we do have some beautiful daffodils going, so a water effect will be nice and beautiful here. So I do have this pot here, just kind of, we can just make our water feature right in here. So this one's a little bit deep, just depending on how you want to structure it. I chose to, like, we can just put some bricks in here, change up the height. So it's basically like a bird bath here. Cats like it too. Okay, we take our pieces out here and we'll change up some different things. I want to get the solar panel going here. And nice long cord here for this. We'll just undo this wire right here. All right. So this gives you quite a bit of travel, about 8 feet or so. We'll just connect our little cord here. And this will work if you have just like traditional like bird bath water fountains or the other ones. This is just a little bit of a different one here. Okay, once we get that on there. So the pretty straightforward with this. This little stake just goes on there like that, and we'll stick it. I think we can just stick it right here in the ground. That's fine. Just like that. And it has this little portion on top. We just slide our solar panel on there. Actually, I'll show you guys here real quick. So this just kind of slides down on there like that. Okay, there we go. And snaps into place. And then we can tighten this down if we want to find the angle that we want, and then just tighten the teeth down there so it doesn't bend. And I think we got our sun coming up over in that direction, so should be okay right about there. Okay, then we can just kind of hide our wires a little bit, maybe run it up through here behind the daffodils. Okay, and here we go. We can just open our little motor right there. See if we're getting enough sun here to make it happen. There we go. We have liftoff. Whoa, it's got plenty of power there. And look at that. Now we have a nice little water feature. You guys can hear the sound there. It's pretty cool. And we can change this up. All these different tops on here. We can switch to have, tone it down a little bit if we want to. Whoa, she got some power there. A lot of different little configurations. I can put this little top on there. See, it's got kind of a lot of a spray power there, so we'll have to tone it down a little bit. Okay, so we have this little top on here too. That actually looks pretty cool. Snap that down on there. That's pretty sweet. Actually looks really nice there. So there's a bunch of different configurations that you can do with this. I actually like that one a lot. That can just be kind of popped out of there. So these screw in a little bit, and you can adjust it like pretty much how much you want it to. Whoa. How much you want it to come out of there. So with this, if we screw it in, the more we screw it in, like kind of the bigger the, oh wow, that looks really cool. So you can mess with it. Like I said, you have all these different configurations, and you can make it bigger or smaller. I really like this one actually. I think it looks really cool. And we don't have a full sunlight day here, but as you can see, it's still working pretty good here actually. All right, as we can see, some of these shoot up pretty high. So just depending on your sunlight, and you can adjust this by unscrewing it or screwing it down a little bit. So there you have like a little bit different one. Just keep screwing it down and it'll make a little bit more of a pattern. It's actually pretty strong. You can see if you have a bigger bird bath, that's going to put out a lot of water. So these fully customizable, basically. You can mess around with all these different tops and all the little different configurations as far as what kind of what they're going to put out. But you can see it's really actually pretty neat. Let's see what this guy does here. Oops, I'm in the sunlight. So it looks like that one almost has a different one there. All right, I think we can put this one like in top of that one. Anyway. Oh, there we go. Let's get some power here and see what this one looks like. Kind of turn that a little bit, maybe. That actually looks kind of cool. So that one's kind of neat too. So there's just a ton of different combinations we can do here, guys. Just really upgrade your garden. The sound feature is nice too. So if we put our little chairs here, we can just kind of relax and have that nice effect there. So it works really well. It's kind of an overcast day here, but this is actually pretty amazing. Pretty happy with this, my friends. If you want to check it out, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And you guys have a great day. Oh, look at that. And we'll see y'all next time. That's cool. It's like interacting with the top part.